Hi folks, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Today I have several things planned. First of all, happy Fatwood or Fired Up Friday, whichever you are doing today. I am actually going to do a little Fatwood, and I'm going to do a mail call. A couple days ago I got a little package in the mail from one of my awesome pals, Tommy. And Tommy is over at Open Air Fish Market, also Enduring Patriot. And some of the guys I think got these, but he sent me a little keychain to remember Bill Melton by. Now this is Fatwood, and I'm hoping you can see that okay. It said Bill Melton on it, and on the back it's got from 1969 to 2021, which was his, I'm sure, birthday. So I'll keep this and forever remember Bill. Tommy also sent me some a few pieces of Fatwood. And boy, this is some really good stuff right here. And I have already shaved off a little bit of it. I want you to look how good. Boy, that is something, isn't it? That is just saturated. So, and I'm going to do a combination. I want to do some shout-outs too. This is a package that I got last fall from a real good friend of mine. It's Dan, and he's at Blind Owl Outdoors and Bushcraft. And he's from Bohol in the Philippines. And he sent me some stuff he calls Loot Loot. And this is some pretty good stuff right here. This is a good fire starter. And it's called Loot Loot. He also sent me, and I did a video on that also, and he sent me this stuff here, and it's called K-Pop. And it's a flash tinder. And I've never tried this, but I'm going to today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little combination. I'm going to put a little Loot Loot. I've already shaved up me some Fatwood here from Tommy. And if I can get my fingers to work, you know, you lose your speech, you lose your manual dexterity as you age. It makes it harder to get little stuff like this open. Some of you understand that. Some of you whippersnappers don't. But anyhow, I'm going to lay that right on top of that. I'm going to do a combination fire. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to find out. But this Loot Loot, I've tried it before. It's good stuff. And again, thank you, Dan. And I will send you, or I will give you the link to his channel and to Tommy's channel in the description. While I'm at it, while I'm thinking about it, because my memory span is about that long, I'm going to do a couple of shout outs besides Tommy and Dan. Now, there's a couple of guys who are pretty faithful about watching my videos and commenting on them, and I appreciate that. And one of them, his channel name is Shane's Workshop. Now Shane don't have no videos to watch, but Shane is a faithful follower, and I wanted to take just a second to shout him out. Shane, thank you, buddy, for being one of my followers. I do appreciate that. You'd be surprised how good it makes me feel when you comment on my videos. Another one who is also a faithful watcher, and he has a channel with some great videos, and you need to go check him out. And he goes by Expeditionary Johnny. And his videos have got some good content. Once again, I'll leave the link to his channel in the description. Now I'm going to put some of this Loot Loot on here. Oh, I already put the Loot Loot on there. See what I mean about an attention span? Memory span is almost non-existent. I'm going to try this stuff right here. This is a flash tinder. Hopefully it will light the Loot Loot, and the Loot Loot will light the Fatwood. I can't believe I remember to say all that. But anyhow, we're going to give it a shot. I say anyhow a lot, don't I? Anyhow, I do. So, let me put this up. Get it kind of out of the way of the fire here. Well, it's a hot day here in North Carolina today. But according to the weather forecasters, next week is supposed to go back into the 80s. And I'll be just fine with that. Now, I'm going to use my ferro rod and striker that I got from an awesome fella. I call him a redneck renegade. He's one of my pals, and I like him a lot. So anyhow, let's see what happens here. Well, if I did it the other way around, it would work even better. It didn't intend for this to be a comedy routine, but it looks like it's turning out that way. So anyhow, let's see if we can... Whoa, that did go up fast. Good gracious. Now, I don't know if it's going to light. It might work. I'm still waiting to see if it's going to light, and it don't look like it's going to light the Fatwood. I may have to throw some sparks on the Fatwood to get it to light. But that's all right. We can do that. We got the stuff to do it with here. And it's lit. Didn't take long to do that. I'm surprised that the loot didn't burn it, because you could see. Well, if you could see with this light, but it was definitely burning. So anyhow, ferro rod to the rescue, folks. Thank you for joining me on this hot summer day here in North Carolina. And don't forget to check these people out that I've shouted out here today. These are some fine folks. This whole community is fine people. And like I said in my previous video, I'm gonna start trying to to shout them out, let you know about them, just in case you don't know about them. That way you can check them out, because if you're not subscribed to them or watching their videos, you're really missing out on some good stuff. These are some great people. So till next time, God bless you. Don't forget to tell somebody you love them, because they may not be here tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again shortly.